Hello Year 5. We're going to look today at partitioning. So there's a short video here, take part in it, there's some questions for you to do, and then you're going to go and do your independent task in your books afterwards. So I've got this number here, 12,456. I've got my ones column, my tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Now I can partition this using my knowledge of place value. Remember, partitioning just means splitting up into parts. So I could say that I've got 10,000, add and 2,000, and 400, and 50, 5 tens, and 6 ones. So I've split up that number into its parts. Split it up into its parts. You're going to have a go now at this question here. So in a moment, pause the video, have a go at it, and then unpause to see if you got the answer correct. So pause the video, off you go. So you've hopefully had a go, now you've unpaused, so we'll just go through this together. So I've got, here's my 10,000s column, so I've got 50,000, 5 10,000s, 4,000, 600, and 50, and 7. So split it up into the value of each of these place value columns. Let's have a look at another example. This time, again, if I think about my place value columns, I've got my ones, tens, hundreds, notice no hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So again, I've got 80,000, I can partition this number. I've got 4,000s. I've got no hundreds, so I can just leave that blank, or I could put 0. I've got 30, 3 tens, and 5 ones. So very similar to the last example, but now this time I've got no hundreds. So I could actually just leave that out. I could write this as 80,000, add 4,000, add 30, add 5. And crucially, when I add all these up together, I will get 84,035. So again, your turn. Pause the video now, and then unpause to see if you got the answer correct. So here we go, we've got 20,000, 1,000 in the thousands column, 900s. Now I've got no tens, and then 3 ones. So again, this is optional to show that I've got no tens. Now sometimes we partition numbers not just by the place value column. So in fact, we know we can split up numbers, partition numbers in any way that we like, as long as all of the parts add up to make my whole. So in this case, I've not split it up entirely by place value column. So I haven't done 30,000 and 5,000. Here I've got 32,000. But in total, I've got 35,000. So what do I need to add to get to 35,000? Well, 32,000 if I count on. I need another 3,000 will take me to 35,000. And I've got 400, 32. Well, again, I don't need 32, I need 35. So I need another 3. Takes me to 35, and if I add all of these numbers up, I can see I get back to 35,435. So again, you have a go at this one now. Pause the video now, have a go, and then see if you can get the answer right, and unpause to see the correct answer. So here we go, we've got 61,000, but I can see here I've got actually 63,000. So I need another 2,000 to get to 63,000. Then here I've got 210 and 6. So at the moment, I've got, if I add these two together, I've got 216, but I need 436. So I've got the 6 already. So I need to get from 210 to 430. So I need another 200, which will take me to 410, and then another 20 will take me to 430. So I've got another 220. And if we just double check, so 61,000 add 2,000 is 63,000, 210 add 220 gives me 430, add 6 is 436. So I get back to my whole, which is 63,436. So you can either look back at those examples if you're still a little bit unsure, or if you're confident now, you can go ahead and do the independent task that is on the sheet. And the answers are provided on the next page as well. once you've had your best go at the questions.